Hi there. Rob Greeno. I'm a second generation here at Asyma Solutions. At Asyma, our number one core value is a win-win relationship where we create a long-lasting relationship that's built on trust, accountability, and integrity. We specialize in the Sage Intacct Cloud solution. We've helped countless nonprofit and First Nation organizations all across Canada through digital transformation and automating their financial management processes, which allow them to do more within their communities. On the other side of our business, we do quite a bit of work with construction companies, and one process that we help with, sitting down with new organizations or businesses and really defining what's working, what's not working with your current system. Once we understand what your requirements are, we go through and we do a detailed design of what a system would look like. What would be the ultimate nirvana? No software solution's ever going to give you 100% of what you need, but we're going to get you darn close. Once a proposal has been agreed upon with Asyma Solutions, we get right into a project management focus. So we have a team that's built up of certified Sage consultants with PhDs, CPAs, MBAs, full IT backgrounds, where they have made it their life's mission to make sure they understand the software as well as the accounting principles in the background, so that when we are setting up these systems, we have thought everything through, and at the end of the day, our customers get a solution that works. That is what is most important to us, is a long-term relationship built off of trust and delivering solutions that work. Once this design's been done, we then move into the next phases of setup, implementation. We do training at every step of the way. And then once you go live, we do a post 30-day go live support, where if you need training or if there's additional setup that needs to happen, you're covered. You're well looked after. It's not a install a piece of software and see you later. We are dedicated to our customers for life. And what we have built up is a team of excellent consultants that are highly knowledgeable in the First Nation, nonprofit, construction spaces, where we can continue to provide our customer support. Asyma takes the risk away from our customers. What I mean by this is we promise a solution, we promise it to work. If that does not happen, we have a 100% money back guarantee. If any of this is resonating with you and you feel like there are ways that you can leverage digital transformation, we want to help. So please reach out and we'd be happy to go through where your business or your organization's at today, the way you're currently doing things, and what we could potentially help with. At the end of the day, what we want to provide is education on the solutions that are available and ways that you can better leverage digital transformation, technology, cloud financial management, and where we can help you accelerate your organization or your business.